Good morning guys. Sobrang aga ng flight namin to Samar. 6 o'clock. So, alas 2 pa lang. 2:30 gising na kami and got ready. And then, ngayon inaantay na lang namin si Taylor alas 3. Sa mga 3:30. People are still sleeping. Kulit ng tatlo. Ayan. Marami na kaagad silang energy alas 2 ng madaling araw. May alas 3 na pala ngayon. Say hi. Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Maupay na aga.
Mabaya na agad.
Where are we going today?
Summer.
Samar.
To play with our cousin.
Where did you put your clothes? Oh, okay. Bring two. Baby, watch out. Hey, stop. You're gonna hurt yourself. Later.
That's dinner right there. There's a mystery donut too.
Merong Krispy Kreme dito. And our boarding. Brayden is playing his tablet.
Different flavor.
Ah, yeah. Birthday cake. Birthday
The
cake.
pink one.
Okay, which one do you want?
Pink.
Do you want that? Strawberry? Dawson, what? This? How do you know?
She said.
Really? You see it from there?
Hey,
What is it?
look. A plane is gonna land.
Yeah, I see that.
I seen it too. Look, the plane's gonna take off. Look, that was the plane that we rode.
On our way na kami sa Samar guys. So yung flight ay 30 to 45 minutes lang naman. Pero iisang flight lang ang meron sa isang araw sa Qatarman. But if you have like kung gusto mo ng iba pang option, meron ding Calbayog. Kaso Calbayog Airport kasi ay malayo. nasa 2 hours yung commute from the airport papunta sa aming barangay. Kaya we always choose Katarman kung meron silang available flight. So ito, tatakot lagi si Taylor pag sumasakay sa maliliit na eroplano dito sa Pinas kasi nga naman compare sa malalaking eroplano na sinasakyan namin galing sa US ay naramdam mo talaga pag maliit na eroplano. So lahat, lalo na yung take off tsaka landing, talagang medyo rough siya pero safe naman, 'di ba? At yun nga ang sinasabi niya sa mga lolo at lola niya back in the US na ito daw yung kinakatakutan niya pag nandito kami sa Pinas, ang sumakay ng maliit na eroplano.
I don't have to pay now.
You don't need to pay now.
No.
Yes, thank you, Lord.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Qatar, man. Remember, for convenience, it's
Excuse me, baby.
Mommy, can I?
Our first tricycle ride of this trip, and excited ang kambal. Sinundo kami ng aking kapatid at saka sinama niya yung aking pamangkin kasi gusto daw makakita ng airplane ng aking pamangkin. So ayan, feeling close siya kay Taylor. Magkakaedad lang sila ng kambal. At from the airport, guys, sasakay ka ng tricycle to the bus station. Pero mga 10 to 15 minutes lang ata yung tricycle ride. Meron ka namang maririntahan ng mga private cars kung ayaw nyong mag-commute, pero mas gusto ko yung ganito para mas na-experience nila yung buhay probinsya. Din pagdating naman, guys, sa bus ay 45 minutes to 1 hour kasi nga pahinto-hinto bago kami makarating sa aming town. Dati puro jeep yung sinasakyan, pero ngayon meron na silang ganito yung parang minibus siya. Maliit lang pero mura lang naman. Nasa 50 pesos lang ata yung isang tao. Tapos nagbayad na lang kami para sa aming mga luggage.
Seriously, like, he didn't just make me carry the 60-pound suitcase from the thing up to the, like, off the stage.
Like I can know what.
Oh, it's real
Ay, parang alam na nila yun si Jacob.
Where's Kuya Jacob?
Hindi si Jacob, tapo.
Careful of things.
I know.
Tinira na kalimutan si Jacob. Jay, ano na, Jay?
They're wearing the same clothes.
Ano oras na mo tinagabot sa akin?
Alas 7.
Ano naman ang
Aga.
Oh, puto.
Adto na.
Oh, mayada pa ko ano.
Nasa ito na eh. Dadang mo sa puto.
Banana.
Be careful.
Bakit nila?